Okay, students, let's move to your next topic. Your next topic is effects of electricity. Electricity shows three types of effects. One is heating effect, magnetic effect, and chemical effect. Your all the appliances which are using in home which gets heated up are based on heating effect, such as your electric iron, your toaster, water heater, room heater, all this are based on heating effect. Electric motor, electric generator are working on the principle of magnetic effect, and electroplating is working on the principle of chemical effect. In this topic or in this lesson, you are going to study about heating effect. Magnet and magnetic effect is your next lesson. So you will study in detail about magnet and magnetic effect in your next lesson. Chemical effect you are going to study in your higher classes. So let's begin with the heating effect. So we will talk about heating effect. What are the phenomena, or how does the apparatus gets heated up when we switch on the power supply? So to understand this, let us consider a small piece of alloy. This piece of alloy. Why we are taking alloy? Because alloys have high resistivity. High resistivity means they will block the flow of electrons. So we will take a piece of alloy. These are the atoms which are going to be the obstacles for the flow of current. Here I take one switch. This is my key. So as soon as I on my key, my electrons will start flowing from negative terminal to positive terminal. My electron will start flowing from negative terminal to positive terminal. But when he is traveling from negative end to positive end, there are atoms in between. So he needs to overcome all these obstacles which are coming in its way. And when he is doing this work to overcome all this obstacle and to cross this alloy, while doing this work, heat is getting generated. Heat is generated, and this piece of alloy will start getting hot and it will start turning red. So the work which this electron is doing to overcome the obstacle is getting converted into heat energy. So you can say the work done by the electron is converted into heat energy. So when you studied potential difference is nothing but your work done to move a charge from one point to another. V equals to W by Q, which implies W equals to V into Q. So we will name this as equation number 1. Now you have studied in Ohm's law V equals to IR. Name it as equation A. And you also know current is nothing but flow of charges. That is charge per unit time. So Q by T. So from here you get Q equals to IT. Keeping equation 1 and 2 in your keeping equation your A and B in your equation 1. In your equation W equals to VQ. So instead of V you will keep IR. So instead of V we kept IR, and instead of Q we will keep IT. So IT, I into I is I square and RT. So your W is nothing but I square RT. This W is the work done by the electron to move from one point to another point. This work done is converted into heat. So instead of this W, I will write H. That is H is equals to I square RT. This H equals to I square RT is nothing but your Joule's law of heating. So, heat generated is directly proportional to the square of the current for a given resistance. H is also proportional to the resistance for a given current, and H is directly proportional to the time for which the current flows through that particular resistance.